Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where task host is stopping background tasks in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So it's not very difficult. Here's what we have to do exactly. First of all, you need to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box associated with turn on fast startup. Click on save changes. Okay, so this should solve the problem, but if it does not, then search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.